Okay, right now I'm in Moon Company's newest map. Before I show you behind me, this is just like a little bit of it. Okay. So it's a little sneak peek of what's to come. There is gonna be a new place. This is where the new monster is gonna be. She says danger, keep out. This is gonna be the mines of it. Now, this tech tree, okay? I'm not going to. So I get finished showing you everything off. But as you can see, it has everything in it. Everything's in it. So as you can see. Now, this I'm not sure what that's for, but there's like a little hang spot right here. Oh no, I leaked it. But there's like around it, and that's like this is the tree. So I'm gonna show the tree off last, but it's really fun. Okay, now this is the stump. As you can see, there's no safe zone. There is a computer though. Nothing for right there, but it's cool. There. This is supposed to be. It's like room, you know. There's also this. This actually might be where the new monster is, or this might be like something else. I'm not sure. Maybe there's gonna be two monsters. There actually is supposed to be two monsters, so maybe it's like a boss battle or something. I don't know. This, as you can see, is its map. They definitely changed it like a lot, as you can see. And there's up there. And you can actually go under the map from here, as you can see. Nothing else from over there. And we got this room. This is where you like change. This one, you can go through it and stuff. Okay. So yeah. Here's this room. Okay. But there are going to be two new monsters. As I said before. I'm thinking that one might be over there. And one will be over there. Like over there. There's like little couches and stuff where you can just chill. I think this would be like a PvP map. Like maybe Arena's going to update. I know that there's gonna be new monsters here. And yeah. And here's a bridge. All stuff. But this update is gonna be very cool. I think it comes out. So by the video is posted, the video should be out. Well, the new update should be out. But yeah. So I'll also be doing a video once the update fully comes out. But this is just a sneak peek. Now I heard that they might just be changing up the design a little bit, but that's just up to them. As you can see, here's under it. Give a better view of everything. Now, as you can, I think that check out the tech trees. But hold on. This is like all day. Okay, but I am too broke to get the supplies that's needed. I do have lemons. That's where I got them from. Flip them upside down. You can walk up in the air with them. Got them from a friend. I should have actually could throw them down and all that. I still have 30 more of them. Really have anything else. So really. I'm grabbing other eggs. Okay. I don't have anything else. So and have stuff to sell for me. But today it's just me. As you can tell, I just give me 3,000, just one egg, 3,000. But look, this might just be ahead of what we're getting. Some of these, just saying, cause that kind of looks like a monster. So is that. But yo, I actually haven't been to the lava map in so long. That's crazy. I've been to the lava map in ages. Actually, know some of these people. Like that doggy. Psych, I don't know any of them. But I'll show you guys how I get there. First, get a small bag. Gadgets. Get 2 of these. Umbrella. Put on your back. Now you go right here. I don't care how you do it. How I do it, I put in there. Just like that. Personally. Now that we do that, do this. Okay, what we have to read it. This is why usually just do that. I still have 1,000 left, so I can do this like one more time. If that, cause that's just like 2,000. Wee. Nope, get back here. Okay, so now what you want to do? Come up here. You can kind of see it right there. That way, if you can see it, just want to like that. Just want to right there, and there it is. What? No, I'm done with this. I have to redo all that. Great. Just great. That was like almost $2,000. Good 1,000. You see that body? Beautiful. To the take that. Go right here. And we put that in. Okay, now I go up here. And I usually do it like right here, just so they don't fall. Yeesh. I just die. Are you serious right now? Wait, hold on. I got it. Yes. Yeah, somehow I just did that. But I did. I'm back to the new map. As you can see, the razor still showing. So you can just. Let's actually sell though. Just like it is. No, my stuff though. Money. Oh, and you got like your stats for me. I know I have some RPGs. They're all kind of like this. Just different kinds. Get back here. Yeah. Okay. Now for a question I've been wondering. If I go in here, if I come back, will it does not like me. Yo. Let me go in. Yo. Okay, just okay. Can't go texture from here. Yes, at least. Yeah. But you can stand on it. It's actually pretty cool. Which I wish I could go in. But I can't. You really need to have baseball. They have football. They should have baseball and basketball. So I can actually be hooping, you know. Because that's what I usually do. find it. There it is. Maybe take this. I guess I can't hunt it right now. Gotta take this. Go to the machine. Alright. The basketball. But yeah, this is just a really fun way. I've been talking in my head, haven't I? But most of the time when I'm playing, I think I've been talking in my head. I don't know if I have or not. Most of the time when I'm playing Animal Company, I'm bored. I'll just play basketball with the gold. Or most of the time, basketball because orange. Or they really need to add baseball or basketball so I can actually play instead of just using oars. Because oars are really boring to use. Play basketball. Hook to it. I just greened that, y'all. How high can I make it from? Should I probably be doing this in regular stone? Probably. But we're gonna do it in here. So where were we last time? Right there. Now we're gonna go from up here. Well, it's just from longer, not higher. So I need to get up there to that branch. So let's get up there. I'll be doing it up here next. No, right now it's from this branch. The bridge. Let me do ammo. Longest trick shot. Highest trick shot. For me, and ammo complete. What this is? Lay. Okay, I gotta get up there. But yes, like I was saying, just a sneak peek of the Ammo Company. The new Ammo Company map. I actually got I knew about the new monsters and stuff because of Scooby the Monk. Go check out his channel if you don't already watch him. He's a great YouTuber. Watch him all the time. If you want to run being quiet, because it's late, so. Yeah, try to come to this map. If you can, try to make the shots that I can't. And less tries than I do it. So from up there on that branch, do from up here this time. Up even higher. Up here. See if I can make it. See if I can make that. I got close. If y'all can do better. If y'all can do better, try. Comment down below how high you got. And yeah, if y'all don't think, the break. Okay, I'm just gonna. It says busted right there, because you're not technically supposed to be here yet. So if you are, then now I hope they don't patch this glitch but the video should be out by tomorrow. Well, the map should be out by tomorrow by the time this video is posted. After I do all my editing and stuff, cut out the parts. Shoot. I don't know how to edit. I still need an editor. And I'm thinking of just letting one thing. So when I know this would be my editor, it'd be a lot less work and just easier for real. you ever just been playing a game and like one of your younger like siblings or something walk in, say that you're old or something for playing it? 'Cause it has happened to me. I was playing this game just to be more. Well, they just re-released it. Or no, it was an old game, like from a long time ago, and I liked it, so I started playing it. You know, my little cousin walks in. He's like, "What are you playing?" I was like, "I say the name of the game." So I do remember it was a game, and then while I was playing it, they walk in like, "What are you playing?" I'm like, "I said the name of the game." Like, "Ew, you're old for playing that." Something. Yeah, I got that trick shot. No. Thank you, Chris. You just saved me from having to go down the lines, get another one. As you can see, you can climb these trees' leaves, so it's not hard to get back up here. Okay, I was like right here. Yeah. Yo, I got that. Yeah. Mine. Yo. What if, right? I climb all the way up here, then I green it. Yeah. I climb all the way back over here. What if I shoot from right here? And just, yeah. Please don't fall. You see, young people fall in love. Young people fall in love with people sometimes. That's alright. It's okay. Myself. Where my ball at? Bye-bye. I had to dribble it real quick. Oh, he goes for a deep three. He shoots. How do I do worse from closer? Come here. Creak at me. Forget who. But for real, this map is real easy to get to. So if you want to go play it, you can do what I'm doing. Comment down below if you can make this shot, because it's gonna be my last attempt. If I don't make it, then I lose. Mini video. Okay, well, this ball. Get back here, ball. My ball. No, stop. Like I said, new spoilers. Going one map, 2 map, 3. It's gonna be 3 new places, I think. 1 new place. Don't know. But have a good day. Like and subscribe and enjoy the video. And Dino.